Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Major European stocks closed slightly higher, with investors largely making cautious moves, reacting to the results of the German federal election. In the next few weeks, Coinbase will roll out a feature that allows customers to deposit any portion of their paycheck directly into crypto. The Swedish maker of performance-oriented electric cars backed by Volvo Cars and China's Geely will raise about $1 billion from a SPAC merger with Gores Guggenheim.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. consumer confidence will be released at 1400 GMT. The U.S. S&P Case-Shiller home price indices at 1300 GMT. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey at 0600 GMT. The Irish retail sales will be released at 1000 GMT. The UK's 30-year bond auction at 1030 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.